Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Sat in front of you, 1969 plate Audi RS3, cost option wheels, black badges, it's the Quattro obviously, the paintwork is out of this world, sliding panoramic sunroof, black calipers, keyless entry, keyless go obviously. We've got that sports Alcantara steering wheel. Check out that interior, quilted leather with contrast red stitching. What a machine. It's got this carbon fibre trim on the interior as well. What more could you ask for? Looks great, sounds great, goes quick. It's a 1969 plate, it's only covered 11,000 miles. Who do you get in touch with? AMT Specialist Cars, Kirkstall Road in Leeds. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. We look forward to speaking to you soon.